Hello guys, good evening. What are you doing? Come with me. I have experienced 10 years in office. Today I teach you how to start Excel. You can see guys, let's start. First, just click, type E X C E L Excel. Then click, you get start Excel. You can see guys, many type of diagram, billing diagram, and you can see next diagram, take a tour diagram. Third, you can see drop down tutorial purpose, use diagram, formula tutorial diagram. You can see guys, formula tutorial diagram create, power query diagram, many diagram in Excel you can use. And next you can see many template, as for example loan template. You can see guys, loan template, many template in available in Excel sheet, in Excel. Next you can see template, sale report template, many template in Excel. And change, you can see many template in Excel sheet. And time card, you make time card, just use diagram Excel sheet. You can see guys, many diagram, template, many template available. You can see loan and personal monthly budget. You can see template used, monthly budget template. And next template, you can see next template, blood pressure tracker template. You can see guys, every template available in Excel, every office purpose, every doctor used office purpose in Excel use. You can see guys, and many template in Excel. You can see, just click and you search template, connect for net, many template available. You can see guys. And next click, double click, start Excel. I am search, file menu, home menu, insert menu, page layout menu, formula, data, review, view, help. First click home menu. You can see guys, home menu, many options. In home menu, many options: cut, copy, paste, painting, format painting, bold, italic, underline, size, a small, big size, shortcut, color, background color. You can see alignment right, middle, center, alignment left, back text. You can see how to make back text, how to make wrap text. You can see number format, every option available in home. Condition formula, condition formatting option used in home. And format tables, cell styles, insert, delete format tables. This is available in Excel, and this is available in home menu. Auto sum used in home menu, fill, clear, sort filter, every option in home menu, find and select, sale, numbers, every option is next insert menu. Just click, you can see insert menu, every option. First pivot table, second recommend pivot table, advanced tables. You can see guys, every option available in insert menu, pivot table, recommend pivot table, tables, insulator, grade, get add-ins, my add-ins, every option in insert, recommend chart available, diagram recommend chart available, pivot chart, map, 3D map available, insert menu, line, column, win loss, slicer, timeline, slicer, link, text, symbols. You can see guys, insert menu options, next page layout. You can see page layout options, page layout options, color, font, effect, theme, use, margin, high low, orientation, size, print area, background, print title, wide, height, scale. You can see guys, in page layout options, page layout menu in options, guidelines, heading, view, print out, bring forward, send background, selection pane, align. You can see guys, next formula. You can see insert menu, insert function, auto sum, recently used, financially, locals, logicals, text, data and time, date and time, looks up recently, lookups and reference, math and trig, mode function, name and manager. You can see formula menu in options. You can see define name, create from selection, tracer percentage, trace dependent. You can see guys, evaluator formula, error check, show formula, watch windows, calculation options, calculator now, calculator sheet, every option in formula menu. Just click data. You can see from text CSV, from wave, from table range, recent source, existing connection, reference all, query and connection, options in available data menu, filter, sort filter. You can see advanced filter, text to column options, flash fill, remove duplicate, data validation, manage data models, what if analysis, forecast sheet, group, ungroup, subtotal in data menu options. You know that guys, data menu in options. You can see guys, next review options, review menu in options, spelling, thesis, spelling, thesis, workbook status, check, accessibility, smart lookup insight, smart lookup insight. Review menu in options, you can see translate language, comments, new comments and comments, show all comments, project sheet, project workbook, allow edit range, hide link, you can see guys. Next click view menu, you can see normal, page break, preview, page layout, custom view, grid line, formula bar, heading, zoom, use, selection, new windows, arrange all, freeze panes, split, hide use, you can see view slide by slide, switch windows, micro you can use in view menu options. Next, help menu options, help, contact support, feedbacks, show training, communicate, excel blog, suggest features, you can see guys. You know that guys, every option use every menu, you can see guys.